Okay, this is the next video in our Onshape tutorials. So we've just drawn the cube. So if you've opened Onshape again, find your document in the list. Because what we're going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how we can edit very quickly and easily, so we don't have to draw new shapes. So we'll click to open that. What editing will allow you to do is if you make a mistake or things change, it's very easy to edit without having to start again. And as you start to draw more complex shapes, it's really important that you can edit. So we're going to change this from a cube to a rectangular prism. So we're going to go to sketch 1. We can see our browser over here. It's our timeline. We did one sketch and then we did an extrusion. We did that in the last video. So we're going to edit sketch 1. So you simply double click. It'll reopen that sketch and we can see, let's put that there, we can see the sizes that we set it at last time. 100 by 100. So we're going to change one of them. So you do that by double clicking and then simply typing, no, I'm not going to do 80, I'm going to do 70. Press enter. It's resized our rectangle. Once I tick, it will also adjust that extrusion and the end product. We can also edit that extrusion, same way, we double click. So let's change that to 60. Press enter and we're done. So it's very easy to resize, reshape and redo objects. Very easy to edit. Notice there's no save button. This will upload and save automatically, a bit like Google Docs.